Hello everyone, hi. Today we gonna checking about the Ibanez Lr10. This is the signature from Lee Ritenor, the guitarist in jazz music style, and he is the outstanding about fusion music style in 1980. Actually, this guitar is very rare item, because this guitar created in 1982 and finished in 1986, just only 4 years. And every 4 years, this guitar almost change about the material in almost every year. Uh, Actually, this guitar is an original and very special about this fingerboard is Brazilian Rosewood. The Brazilian Rosewood, you can check. I took more photo. You can check in my reverb on my reverb. Sorry, this is the yes, very beautiful. Actually, in my life, I never have a guitar use Brazilian Rosewood fingerboard. This is the first, maybe the last because I gonna sell this. uh, and another is the this is the Melbourne body. You can check about the. Oh, this is very important. This is the pickup. This is Super 58, but this is very special. Super 58 and bow on C word. Z word. Z or Z. Yes. Someone call this pickup this is the re-read now special. It's okay, I understand. But this is the same pickup, but you can use two name. Super 58 and bow C. The word Z or Z is bow on bow. Yes. Behind this, I opened the system and took more photo. You can check this. And another is rewrite now. Pick up. Okay, let's check about the clean sound first on the neck pickup. Mix together. Okay, let's take the strum chord. Bridge pickup first. Mix together. The neck. Okay, the next video clip is the distortion sound. Thank you.